it's your girl Donnell. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a 2-week, well, tomorrow will make 2 weeks, so I'm gonna be doing a 2-week update on my Super Collagen. Stay watching. I've been pushing work all summer. Alright guys, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. So here are some things that I've been noticing now within the 2-week period. I'm noticing my skin just a radiance with it. It's just glowing. My skin is looking flawless. And I haven't changed anything other than, I guess, 2 things. One will be the collagen for the past 2 weeks. In addition to that, the other thing will be I've been drinking a smoothie, a fruit/vegetable smoothie, once a day for the past 2 weeks. So it's either gonna be the collagen or the smoothie that's contributing to my skin, but it's just looking radiant. It's glowing. It's just looking, in my opinion, is looking so good. And I'm gonna keep on with this challenge for the remaining 2 weeks. In addition to that, I'm gonna continue drinking my smoothie once a day. I'm just thrilled. I'm having a great response this time around. No allergic reaction. As far as my nails, I haven't seen any extra growth, and it's because I guess I'm not really focused on my nails like that. And my hair, I've been bunning my hair up for the past forever, for a month. So I'm not really watching my hair for hair growth. I'm not really interested in that. So if you're concerned with nail growth and hair growth, I can't really attest to that just because I haven't focused on that. What I have been focusing on is my skin is looking yummy, is looking really radiant, and is glowing. And if you're looking for those kinds of results, definitely give this Neocell Super Collagen a try, and maybe go for the smoothies. And when I talk about smoothie, I'm not talking about you have to go out and buy smoothies. I'm talking about blend with me, blend with whatever is in your refrigerator, get yourself some almond milk and get yourself some Greek yogurt, toss it in the blender and drink. That's the kind of smoothies I'm doing. I'm just impressed. A huge makeup wearer. Today, I'm gonna come a little close. I have a little bit of mineral powder on. I'm wearing a little blush, a little bit of mascara and eyeliner, and that's it. And when I say very thinly on, it's just a tad bit on. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in today. I just wanted to pop in, like I said, and give you an update. It's been about 2 weeks now, and I still have 2 more weeks remaining. I hope you guys share this video with a friend or 2. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos like this one, like I said earlier. Remember, y'all, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah, 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 mwah. Sweeties until next time. Ciao.